Hey friends! Waving hand, have you ever wanted to make your own AI avatar that talks just like you, lip syncs perfectly and even uses natural hand gestures? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a realistic AI avatar, absolutely free.
Go to Google and type Mirage Studio app. You can also use the link in the description, hts/mirage.app. Sign in using your Google account. Once logged in, you'll see the Mirage Studio logo. After that, you'll reach a welcome screen with Terms of Service. Click the Agree and Continue button. You'll now see the Mirage Studio dashboard. Here you'll find different voiceover options. Explore them and choose the one that best suits your needs. You can also upload your own audio, review it, and make any necessary adjustments. Click on Continue and wait for a moment.
Okay, hear me out. This is the one thing I've used that actually did what it said it would. No fluff, no hype, just results.
No, because I've actually never found something that works this well. I didn't believe it either until I tried it out, and now I'm obsessed.
Next, you can check your audio text and make edits or add pauses if needed.
Whoa, hold up. Ever dreamed of creating your own AI avatar, just like me? Guess what? It takes just 2 clicks with text-to-video magic. Drop a comment saying "free avatar" if you want the full step-by-step guide. And yes, it's totally free. Smash that like button if this amazed you, and subscribe to Manoniyam for more mind-blowing AI hacks, tools, and creations.
Click Continue again. Now you can either select an AI avatar or upload your own avatar. You can also generate a new one. Once you select the AI avatar, it may take about 10 to 15 minutes to process. While the video is generating, now it's your turn. Download the video and see the final result for yourself. Look closely at the facial expressions and gestures. Pretty realistic, right?
Whoa, hold up. Ever dreamed of creating your own AI avatar, just like me? Guess what? It takes just 2 clicks with text-to-video magic.
It almost feels like a real human on screen. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you think more people should discover cool AI tools like this, then gently tap that like button. Subscribe for more tutorials, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss the next update. Thanks for watching, and keep creating with AI.